Okay, I'm continuing this. Hold on. Hey, walk off the world again. Okay. Hello. Towers. Let me get some more towers. What about... What can I buy? I'm not buying anything. Oh my god.
5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. You're a roughneck. You are going to fall. Number 2, get back up.
Okay,
Oh, this is cool. Yeah, select. Yeah. Hold on again. Bow, girl, bow, girl, flip. 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 Blood, baby, this blood. I don't use my head on that blood. You can make me blood. I can make any
kill
I'ma
him.
let my head touch. For the border, we gotta clip, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. What else do you want from me? Hey, are you
Them 2, 2, 3.
around with me? See, I'm hot, I'm fine, heard he caught a body, but that does not mean to me. Got to want me, got to want me. Plug in, yes, who want me? Detrimental, me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill it, ain't there really one coincidental. Stop all the things, you just be on that action, shit, no, I ain't
What?
with no captain. Then I ain't no
Kill the guy behind you.
no laughing.
Oh my god.
Checking the flow. Hey, man, was bragging. I'm too slows up on you. I'm too slows up on you. Yeah, what else do you want from me? Hey, I can't lose you to be around with me. See, I'm hot, I'm fine, heard he caught a bite, but that
It's
does
not me.
got to
Want me, got to want me. Want me.
I like black, on a little play, nigga whack, like trying to find his face, ain't no trace, ain't coming back. See, nah, this is too clock, just automatic, I'm a match for your feet, no, real ain't no couch. One foot in the industry, one foot in the top, why that do for my bloodline, I treat him like my stock, cause I need it, something to the feed, off the mouth, bleed, so I'm speed, put the P in clout, 2 guns, that's the twin glocks, I ride to that hard, colder in the beach, cause it goes like that, like a fuck, people gotta come in the back, I'm a 150K, we better stay on that. What all you want from me? They are little two things. Come around with me. See, I'm hot, I'm fine, maybe. Heard he caught a bite, but that does not mean we got to hold. Got to hold. Got plug in, yes, black like the wolf. Yeah, what you want, what do you want? Hey, hey, bitch, for a pimp, yo. What's it? Yo, hey, hey, bitch, black till I bleed, yo. What he on, what he breathe, yo. Hey, hey, I'm pretty, yo. Yo, what the hell, man?
This guy just left me. Wait, hold on. This dude just left me. He's just gonna leave me? I think I can win.
I've been skateboarding my whole life. When I was young, I was there about.
Oh well. Try winning. Probably not without that Dumbo.
Hey. Yeah, I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got some bitches in my life and they all mine. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got some bitches in my life and they all mine. I got a pocket full of sunshine. Look at all these diamonds on my necklace, they all shine. Looking at my jewelry for too long, you might go blind. I could put a bag on your head, that's a gold mine. Homie got the Maggie, got the Glock and the Tech 9. Ammo with the sweetest track, since I got the old kind. I just had a Pisces, she one night, me, she was so fine. Mr. Nasty time, I fuck the face, then she roll mine. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got some bitches in my life, and they all mine. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got some bitches in my life, and they all mine. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got some bitches in my life, and they all mine. I got a pocket full of sunshine. They don't get me time, private family. Fuck the one time, fuck a job, fuck a lunchline. Fuck a fake friend, boss, even tryna take mine. Try to take mine, leave her hanging from the grapevine. She showed me that itchy on her FaceTime. My day one bitch split the bread down the middle. She deserved a lot, but she was there when I had little.
Kiara, do you know this song?
Yeah.
Listen.
I know. I got a pocket. I know.
No, this is not what I was talking about. His song. Yeah. What are you listening to? Get up! What are you listening to? I'm only having this on for like 5 seconds. Get him! Dude! Kill him! No! You can't get past us, me. Dang it, I'm poor. I'm poor. Sorry, you thought poor. Yeah, I think I am poor because my teammate left me. Like, thanks a lot. No, it wasn't Despacito. Despacito. Oh my. Let me feel you on it. Sorry, I poor. I need a sniper. I need a level 3 sniper. Quick. Come on. Gimme. No! I'm ending the video there. I hate this right now.